If you're using Opera GX as your main browser, it's a good idea to make it your default browser. This ensures that whenever you click a web link in an email, document, chat application, or another program, it automatically opens in Opera GX. In this video, I'll show you how to set Opera GX as your default browser on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings. You can also press Alt+P on your keyboard to open Settings instantly. Once you're in Settings, look for the Default Browser section. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top and search for Default Browser. Now click Make Opera GX my default browser. This will open the Windows 10 Default App Settings page. Under Web Browser, you'll see your current default browser. Click on it. A list of installed browsers will appear. Select Opera GX from the list. Windows will immediately set Opera GX as your default browser. To verify that the change worked, return to Opera GX. The browser should now indicate that it is your default browser. From this point forward, links from emails, documents, messaging apps, and other programs will automatically open in Opera GX, and if you ever decide to switch browsers, you can return to the same Windows setting and choose a different default browser at any time. And that's it. You've successfully set Opera GX as your default browser on Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, browser tips, and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.